2024 was the hardest year of my entire life.
I just want it all to be over! I fucking moved away. I am on the side of the road, as you can see, down here. Something went wrong. Why does this year fucking suck? Yeah, timely. Fuck.
I've been trying really hard to be optimistic this year, you know? Trying not to let the bad things take over my life. But that's easier said than done. There's this quote I've been thinking about a lot. It goes, pain is inevitable, but suffering is optional. I guess I've been trying really hard not to suffer. This is the song I played the day I got fired. I drove home in silence that night, walked right up to my room, and played the song. And it still carries all that weight.
It's over, it just means that you have other responsibilities right now. And the crazy thing about life is that you just don't know what the next year is gonna hold. You don't know what next month is gonna hold.
But it's also the song I played when I hung out with my best friend. Because I didn't have a car, she picked me up, and we drove around for the night. It's the song I played after exploring the lights they set up in our local park.
Oh, it's all the way over there.
Yeah, it's a tunnel.
Jeez.
But look at how cool this is. No, look at that. There's one thing that's so cool. It's very cold.
I think this year is similar to that song. It might have sucked for 1,000 different reasons. But it's also what we make of it. And sure, there's only a few ways to spin being fired or losing your car, but what I'm trying to get at is bad things happen. All the time, things are happening. And instead of looking at that song as a memory of a bad time, I can share it as a story about being okay during one of my hardest hours. And now that I have no car, I'm stuck at home. And that silence breathes time for reflection of both the bad times and the good. But the reflection only lasts so long when the week has time to get harder.
Thank you, guys.
So I started therapy today. And I got broken up with today. So there, no car and no relationship. I learned that a good way to survive is to give yourself time to breathe. So I stopped recording for a little bit. But if I wanted to do more than survive, if I wanted to live, I have to do things that make me feel alive.
Something I've been wanting to do since knowing that I was going to be moving back to Vermont, and that is making a snow angel. I don't want to do this. It's
Okay. Because even when life gets you down, you have to do things to remind yourself that you're still human.
World time has a way of throwing it all in your face. The past, she is haunted, the future is laced.
Yeah, that's stuff.
Heartbreak, you know, drives a big black car. I swear I was in the backseat.
Oh my god. I am so cold. That was worth it. That was fun. I needed that. Damn, has this week sucked. And then the next day came, and my other cat, Mikki, got really sick.
I'm really on the ropes this time.
I stayed by her side for as long as she'd let me, but when I woke up, she was gone.
Thank you for the happiest year of my life.
And that was the nail in the coffin. Single, no car, and the loss of my best friend in 1 week. Mikki went to college with me, she moved with me, she lived with me, and finally she got to retire with my mom when I left for Vegas. But I did get to be home when she died. And that might have been luck, but also a silver lining for the worst week of my life. Yeah, all of that happened in a week. I was sick. All right, let me get a little closer. All right, hi. Hi. I'm Sylvia, and I'm on a lake right now. My voice is a little off because I have been sick for the past 2 weeks. And my life's been a little off because my cat died and I got broken up with and my car broke down and I burned the hell out of my hand. And really just this past month has been really awful. Overall, I thought that sitting on the ice and doing a little update would make me feel a little bit more normal.
This is the fun part.
No, I'm trying to.
But what even is normal? Is it simply feeling okay enough to schedule my own appointments? Is it finding time to film the things I like to film?
Hey girl, trying to figure you out.
Is it simply just having my car fixed? Or is normal as simple as just doing the things that I always do?
So, here's the thing. 1, I got a new piercing. You want to see it? There it is. 2, I'm moving in 10 days. I'm going to California. So, yeah, round 2.
Hey girl, leave your head in the clouds.
All I really know is whatever life throws at me in this next chapter, I'll make it through that too.